Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing small land holdings in Thailand for foreign nationals. And the reason I made this video was because I was reading an article in ASEAN Now, that's ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, Wealthy Foreigners to Own Small Land Holdings Associated with Homes Here Agreed in Principle. Now, this is kind of a loaded term, this agreed in principle or approved in principle. I've talked a lot about that in recent videos. It means that we don't know what this is actually going to look like, or if this is going to even broadly apply to people, or if at the end of the day this will apply at all. It's been agreed in principle in committee, but that's not the final say in the matter. So what we do know is right now it's looking like it's moving in that direction, but we cannot say that. We cannot state as if this is a foregone conclusion that this is going to go through. And more to the point, the reason for this video, I want to quote directly from this article, this important step is part of a wider program to attract more foreigners to Thailand to live. However, the government has also determined that these new residents must have the ability to generate wealth and prosperity for the kingdom's wider economy. The proposed legal provision is yet to be ratified, and that's key, quoting further, by the cabinet, and there are already signs that ministers are aware of the politically sensitive nature of the plan. Now, when this was talked about in the middle of 2021, I believe it was back in April of 2021, we were keeping track of this by video, and when it first came out that there was even the possibility of foreign nationals having land ownership rights here in Thailand, a government spokesperson came out shortly thereafter and made it very clear that that was not going to happen. So I think folks that are looking at this probably want to go ahead and cool their heels if they're getting excited about the possibility of owning land in Thailand. I think it's unlikely it will look the way that most people think it will look in practice. And I also think that we're probably looking at a situation where those who may even be eligible to purchase actual real estate land holding in Thailand will only be able to do so in a very narrow capacity, and it may only apply to a very, very narrow subset of people, foreign nationals specifically, here in the Kingdom of Thailand.